back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and this is a segment where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. I'm here on the Southern RV sales lot inside of a new Crossroads product. This is the 2022 Zinger 298BH, and at first glance it is a pretty typical corner bunk, corner bath, single slide travel trailer, but this has one cool sneaky trick, and that is that this has a half bath in the master bedroom. Come on back here, let's take a look at it, get right to it, because this is the big crowning feature of this RV. As you can see, the bedroom itself is pretty standard, but we have a second entrance and then this half bath. This half bath is great because it is quite spacious. We have a sink, a medicine cabinet, some storage below, and a standard foot flush toilet. There's a sliding door that blocks all of this off from the main bedroom. And out here in the main bedroom, as I mentioned, there's a secondary entrance door. We have the standard storage that we see, but this has some additional storage thanks to that half bathroom, and it's built into the wall right here. So, as you can see, we get some shelving that runs all the way up and down. These open too, but they're kind of in the way of the camera there. Yeah, there we go. Lots and lots of extra storage and a half bath really open this thing up. Now outside of that, when we step into the main space, we see a pretty typical floor plan from Zinger. We have a U-shaped dinette that's nice and long. Two adults could easily sleep on it when it's converted into a bed. The couch also converts to a bed as well. And our kitchen is pretty standard for Zinger. It's L-shaped. We've got the stove cover there just to help extend that countertop. Lots of drawers and storage. Our refrigerator is 12 volt instead of gas electric. Lots of customers have been loving those. And pushing into what would be the living area directly across from our sofa, we have a great spot to mount up a big flat screen TV, sound bar down below, our main control panel, and an electric fireplace that actually puts out heat in the winter. This is all sticking off the wall so much because it houses more storage in behind it in the form of this nice big entry closet. You could use this as a coat closet and as a pantry for this model. It's also directly across from the bunks, so if the kids needed a place to store some extra clothes and things, that's a great place for it as well. Not to mention, we have all of this up under the bottom bunk where we could roll in luggage or even create a space for an animal. The bathroom is well equipped. This is the main bathroom with its shower. And as you can see, it's got some storage inside, a nice little skylight up above for your taller folks. And last but not least, I want to step outside because outside of this rig, we have an outside shower. Or not, well, it does have an outside shower, but it's got an outside kitchen, and that's pretty cool too. Right here at the back of the camper, tucked up under that bunk, we have an outside kitchenette. It's got a little sink, a 2-burner stove. All of this is on a drawer that slides out with a metal top, so it's not going to be conducive to any type of water damage, and a small refrigerator. So you can have some extra drinks and snacks and things out here. There's also some storage up above, and if we notice as we back out, that all of this is up under that one big electric awning that's LED lit. So your party can carry from day into night, and even with a little bit of light rain. You guys, I hope you really enjoyed this new model from Zinger. You can come check it out here at Southern RV in McDonough, Georgia. See it online at southernrv.com or give us a call if you have any questions at 770-477-0552. And as always, guys, until next time, happy camping.